Good afternoon and welcome to this week's issue of Print21, the weekly TV news bulletin from Print21.com.au. Sponsored this week by Ricoh. Imagine change. My name is Wayne Robinson, editor of the magazine. This week we're in front of some great graphics outside a Vietnamese restaurant showing the power of print, street level menu. The news this week is led by PacPrint, the once every 4 years exhibition, Australia's big show, Australia, New Zealand and the islands. News this week is that PacPrint will be going ahead. Visitor registrations are open as of this week. Go onto the Print21.com.au website, follow the link. It's a real fillip for the industry. PacPrint runs once every 4 years, last show 2017. This time around, of course, the whole trade show exhibition industry has been devastated by COVID. All shows cancelled since last March, including the big one, Drooper. But PacPrint will definitely go ahead. With the whole of Australia, or almost the whole of Australia, being vaccinated by the end of September, border closures will be a thing of the past, travel restrictions will be a thing of the past. So the organisers are supremely confident that it will go ahead. Several trade exhibitors, suppliers that I've talked to are chomping at the bit to get their equipment on the show floor. There will be plenty of new equipment. The Print Night of Nights, the National Print Awards will be held on the Thursday night. The ASGA, HP, FESPA Innovation Awards will be on the Tuesday night. The event will run from Tuesday, September 28th until Friday, October 1st at its usual home, the Melbourne Exhibition Centre in Melbourne there. So get booking, it'll be great to see everyone there. Real fillip for the industry. Also in the news this week, and also in Melbourne, actually Clayton, Supreme Packaging, a 40-year-old flexo printer with an 8 colour big wide web flexo press there. That's been bought by ProPack, the giant packaging group. ProPack paid $3.2 million for the business, which it says it expects to generate revenues of between $10 million and $12 million next year, because it's significantly up from where it is at the moment. The business is part of ProPack's, the acquisition part of ProPack's strategy of accretive growth through acquisition. Also in the news this week, and also in Victoria, a new directive from the state government there means that all signage that's now placed on the outside of buildings has to have a core combustibility, in its ACM signage that is, has to have a core combustibility of less than 7%, and has to have a certificate to show that is the case. Fines for non-compliance for sign companies are huge. $400,000 for the company, $80,000 for individuals. Glenn Hain, the Safety and Risk Officer at ASGA, the Association of the Signage Companies, says that there's no grey areas here. Sign companies must buy only signage now that has that less than 7% and must have a certificate with it, otherwise they run serious risk of serious fines. That's it for this week's issue of Print21. Go to print21.com.au for all these stories and more. My name is Wayne Robinson signing off. Thanks to our sponsor Ricoh. Imagine change.